Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain adaptive audio on the AirPods Pro 3. What it is, how it works, and why you should probably turn it on. So first, what is adaptive audio? Think of it's a smart mix between noise cancellation and transparency mode. So instead of having to switch it manually or using conversation mode, your AirPods automatically adjust the sound depending on where you are. For example, if you are walking on a quiet street, your AirPods will open up and let in more outside noise so you stay aware. But if you suddenly step onto a busy road or a noisy train, they will increase noise cancellation automatically to block out the distractions. So to turn it on, go to settings firstly. Let's open settings. In settings, find your AirPods Pro, and here we have adaptive mode. Right here. Now look under adaptive control settings. We can scroll a bit down, and here we can find adaptive audio, and here we can customize how much sound it will cancel. So in this way it will cancel more sounds, in this way it will cancel less sound. So it's a good idea to just try out this feature. This is a bonus. Okay, when adaptive audio is on, conversation awareness work even better. So you can enable conversation awareness, and it will work really better with this mode. So why use it? Honestly, it makes your life a bit easier. So no more switching modes every time you leave the office, get on the bus, or go for a run, for example. Your AirPods just figure it out for you. So yeah, that's adaptive audio on the AirPods Pro 3, smart, automatic way to get the best of both worlds between noise cancellation and transparency. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit a like, subscribe for more AirPods 3 tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments, do you prefer adaptive audio or noise cancelling mode with conversation awareness. For example, for me, it's better to have conversation awareness disabled, just because I like listen to music during work, for example, like right now, and use noise cancelling. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.